Hello friends, welcome back. And similarly, if you go through other things, so if you can go through this in similar way for the single. So let's say it's single. Okay. So let me just refresh the page. Okay, I have echo die. Okay, commented out, refresh. Now go to the blog page or go to the hello world.ph. Okay, in the hello world. Now here our custom page template has been loaded, right? So so in this case, what how this works? So this is the each single. Okay, so if you refresh here, you can see the a singular, each singular one, and each single one. Okay, so these two conditional tags has been matched because it's a single post page. Okay, and these are the query words. Based on that, WordPress identify which post needs to be fetched from the database. Okay, um so let me just uh, now if this functions has been executed, this one, so it will. And also these are this sequences is matter. Okay, so currently each single has been there and then is singular. Okay, so is singular because is singular will works for any custom post type including the page itself. So that's why it's keep the last, and default is single and then is page. So in the same sequence, WordPress will try to load the template file. Okay, because if it's singular will be added above each single, then your single.php file will never be used. So this hierarchy and the prioritize also a matter. Okay, so in that case is single will be used. Okay, um is singular also become a true, but first we will WordPress will give prioritize to is single. Okay, and then same is single function call, if it's return true then it will return get single template. So go to here, get single template, it will get query object, it will get the current post type, current fast post, then it will uh, construct these template files. Okay, so let me just prepare and dollar templates. Okay, so if I go here and refresh, you can see the first is without comment.php because it has checked get page template slug, sorry, and in the database we have already this without comment.php set. Okay, for hello world. So this template first WordPress will check. If this template couldn't found, then it will fall back to the other template. So without comment.php, which is our custom template, then single post, then hello world.php. Okay, then single hyphen post.php, and then single.php file. Okay, so it will go through top to bottom, and then it will create a call the get query template. Similar function has been executed as we have seen for the page templates. It will locate a template, and whatever the first template has been located, it will return, it will apply the filter, and then it will return the template here. If it's not found, then use index template. If it's found, then simply again call template include folder. You can use this filter as well to filter the part and then include it, and our custom templates will be loaded. If it's not, then so let me just remove without comment. Okay, so I'm just renaming this file. Okay, so that means this file is not exist now. So if I go to the template, I'm just changing things. Okay, and since if I do that, still hello world dot loaded because now if you go to the template, this is the hierarchy. Okay, it first check without comment.php because that template we have set, but I have renamed the template, that's why it's not found. So it will fall back to the single, then post type, and then hello world.php. It's not found, then it will single hyphen post.php. If it's not found, then the single.php. Single.php found, that's why it's used. If the single php not found, then you can use singular and then index.php. So in the single or singular, if you want to keep the single.php file only will be used for the default post, not for the custom post types. Okay, I think no, okay, sorry, my bad. Also, it will use for the custom post types. But let's say if you want to use a similar single template for the all the post types, in that case you can you can skip the single.php into the theme and you can use singular.php file, but depends how you want to manage the templates based on the content types and designs. Okay, so yeah, so that's why now it's using the single.php instead of the without comment. And if I again change the file name here, okay, so let me just change the file name, and when we load, now you can see without comment.php used. Okay, and from that we have removed this list of the comments, so that's why it's not displaying here. Okay, so yeah, so this is the way WordPress decides what templates needs to be loaded, what are the, like, it will construct the template hierarchy based, it will keep into the array into the top to bottom priority, and it will keep looking into the active theme. If it's not found into the active theme, then it will check whether that active theme is itself a child theme, and if it's a child theme, and if it's a parent theme, and if it has a parent theme, then it will also look for the parent theme. Okay, so that we will learn about into the child theme video, where I will talk about a child theme, how we can create a child theme and how we can use it to override the functionality and the templates of the parent theme. Okay, so yeah, so after watching this video, you can go through this WordPress core files and understand how this functionality working. And if you haven't watched the video about rewrite API, then please watch that video, because in that video I have covered about parsing the request, query wheres, and based on the query wheres, WordPress identify what content, or SQL, it construct the SQL query, then execute SQL query, fetch the data, and then display into the front end. And based on that conditional tags, WordPress will identify what are the templates needs to be loaded, and it will load the template to display the content. Okay, so yeah, that's all about it, and this way the template hierarchy works into the WordPress. Okay, and you can, now we know, while exploring the WordPress code base and to understanding the behind the scenes, we came to know about the various filters which we can use to change the priority of the template hierarchy, right? So that you can do, but like till that I haven't seen any use cases where I have to change the prioritize. But still, if it's there, then at least having knowledge of that actions and filters, we can use it if it's required, right? So yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Jai WordPress.